You type your password and log in, feeling secure behind that little lock icon. But what if I told you that some passwords can be cracked by a hacker in less than a second? Let's see how it actually works. How hackers crack passwords. In this video, we'll explore how to use John the Ripper, a powerful tool for testing and cracking passwords. First, we update and install the tool. We create a dedicated demo folder called Password Demo, where we'll safely test password cracking techniques using John the Ripper. Next, we generate SHA512 hashes for our sample passwords, preparing them for a safe demonstration of password cracking. Now, we create fake user and shadow files and combine them into a John the Ripper compatible hash file, setting up a safe environment to demonstrate password cracking. For our test, we'll use a popular password word list, ROCU, to help John the Ripper attempt to crack the hashes efficiently. Now, we use John the Ripper with the ROCU word list to attempt cracking the weak user's password from our demo hash file. The weak password 12345 is found instantly, because it's one of the most common passwords in the world. Now, we use John the Ripper with the ROCU word list to attempt cracking the medium user's password from our demo hash file. And just like that, John the Ripper successfully cracked the medium-strength password in about 35 seconds, showing how even moderately strong passwords can be vulnerable. For the medium-strength user, we can also use a mask attack with John the Ripper, specifying a known pattern to efficiently crack the password. Now, we prepare to test the strong user's password, which is more complex and will take longer to crack, showcasing the importance of strong password security. After running the test, John the Ripper successfully cracked the strong user's password, but it took over 1 hour, highlighting how increased complexity greatly improves security. Even though it took 1.23 hours to crack, this so-called strong password isn't truly secure if it follows a predictable pattern, showing the importance of truly random passwords.